Life can be stressful and challenging at times. But we can always choose how we respond to it. Buddhism, one of the world's oldest and most influential spiritual traditions, offers us valuable insights and practices on how to stay calm and positive in any situation. In this video, we will explore some of the key teachings and techniques from Buddhism that can help us achieve inner peace and happiness. 1. Stay positive through mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being aware of the present moment, without judgment or distraction. It helps us to focus on the positive aspects of life, rather than dwelling on the negative ones. By being mindful, we can also recognize and let go of unhelpful thoughts and emotions that cause us stress and suffering. One way to practice mindfulness is to pay attention to our breath, which is always with us and always changing. We can simply observe the sensations of breathing in and out, and notice how our body and mind feel. Whenever we get distracted by other thoughts or sensations, we can gently bring our attention back to the breath. This simple exercise can help us to calm our mind and cultivate a positive attitude. 2. Be thankful for things. Gratitude is the practice of expressing appreciation for the abundance that already exists in our lives, and the lessons we learn from challenges. It helps us to recognize and celebrate the good things in life, rather than taking them for granted or complaining about them. By being grateful, we can also cultivate a sense of generosity and compassion for ourselves and others. One way to practice gratitude is to keep a gratitude journal, where we write down 3 things that we are thankful for every day. They can be big or small, simple or complex, personal or universal. The important thing is to be sincere and specific. For example, we can write, "I am grateful for the sunshine today, for the delicious breakfast I had, and for the smile of my friend." This simple exercise can help us to appreciate the beauty and joy of life. 3. Speak nicely to yourself. Self-compassion is the practice of treating ourselves with kindness and understanding, rather than criticism and judgment. It helps us to accept and love ourselves as we are, rather than trying to be perfect or comparing ourselves to others. By being self-compassionate, we can also heal and grow from our mistakes and difficulties, rather than feeling ashamed or guilty. One way to practice self-compassion is to speak nicely to ourselves, especially when we are feeling low or stressed. We can use words of encouragement and support, rather than harsh or negative ones. For example, we can say, "I am doing my best. I am proud of myself. I am worthy of love and happiness." This simple exercise can help us to boost our self-esteem and confidence. 4. Keep your body healthy. Our body is the temple of our soul, and we should care for it as such. Keeping our body healthy is not only good for our physical well-being, but also for our mental and emotional well-being. By keeping our body healthy, we can also enhance our energy and vitality, and enjoy life more fully. One way to keep our body healthy is to follow a balanced and nutritious diet that nourishes our body and mind. We can eat more fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, nuts and seeds, and less processed foods, sugar, and salt. We can also drink plenty of water, and avoid alcohol, tobacco, and other harmful substances. Another way to keep our body healthy is to exercise regularly, which strengthens our muscles, bones, and organs, and releases endorphins, the natural mood boosters. We can choose any physical activity that we enjoy, such as walking, running, cycling, swimming, dancing, or yoga. 5. Try new things. Life is an adventure, and we should embrace it as such. Trying new things is not only fun and exciting, but also beneficial for our personal growth and development. By trying new things, we can also expand our horizons and perspectives, and discover new aspects of ourselves and the world. One way to try new things is to challenge ourselves to do something that we have never done before, or that we are afraid of doing. It can be anything, big or small, simple or complex, personal or social. For example, we can try a new hobby, learn a new skill, visit a new place, meet a new person, or speak a new language. Another way to try new things is to be open-minded and curious about everything, and to ask questions and seek answers. We can also read books, watch documentaries, listen to podcasts, or attend workshops that expose us to new ideas and information. 6. Make achievable goals. Goals are the milestones that guide us on our journey of life. They help us to focus our efforts and resources, and to measure our progress and achievements. By making goals, we can also motivate ourselves and inspire others, and create a sense of purpose and direction for our lives. One way to make goals is to follow the SMART criteria, which stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. We can make our goals as clear and concrete as possible, and break them down into smaller and manageable steps. We can also make sure that our goals are realistic and attainable, and that they align with our values and passions. We can also set a deadline for our goals, and track and review our performance regularly. 7. Do things that make you feel happy and positive. Happiness is the ultimate goal of life, and we should pursue it as such. Doing things that make us feel happy and positive is not only good for our mood and well-being, but also for our health and longevity. By doing things that make us feel happy and positive, we can also radiate joy and positivity to others, and make the world a better place. One way to do things that make us feel happy and positive is to follow our heart and intuition, and to do what we love, and love what we do. We can choose activities that resonate with our core values and passions, and that bring us satisfaction and fulfillment. Another way to do things that make us feel happy and positive is to surround ourselves with positive people and environments, and to avoid negative ones. We can seek out people who support and inspire us, and who share our vision and goals. We can also create a space that reflects our personality and preferences, and that makes us feel comfortable and relaxed. Dear viewers, staying calm and positive in life is not always easy, but it is always possible. By following the 7 steps explained in this video, we can learn from the wisdom of Buddhism and apply it to our daily lives. We can practice mindfulness, gratitude, self-compassion, healthy living, trying new things, making goals, and doing things that make us happy and positive. By doing so, we can transform our mindset and our life, and achieve inner peace and happiness.